So you bought the best pit bike on the market and hopefully used code ConnorG to save. And now, of course, you're looking up tutorials on how to wheelie your RTR. That is not what this video is for. Today's video is for those of y'all who want to add a nice, cheap little mod to the bike that will actually significantly improve your wheelie abilities. Let's dive in. This is a Shiftlock. The name's derived from traditional gas motorcycles where you would typically have a shifter right here and riders would lock their foot into the shifter doing wheelies. The purpose of this was to better grip yourself to the bike during a wheelie so you could perform better wheelies and even do things like take your hands off the bars. In essence, the way this thing works is you have your foot as normal on the peg. When you do a wheelie, you're gonna stick it under here and lock your foot in. Meaning, so when you're doing a wheelie and you have maybe your hands on the bars, you're able to have another point of contact to hold you onto the bike. So God forbid you wanna take your hand off, you still have a point of contact so you're not gonna slide off the bike itself. Now, there are multiple ways to shift lock. What you most commonly see is this way, where you have your heel back against the peg and your foot here. I, for whatever reason, just don't prefer that method. I prefer it like this, so I can still keep my feet on the bars, and God forbid I mouse trap, my foot isn't too low to the ground where I'm worried about it hitting the ground and potentially breaking it. Okay, so now that we've addressed what a shift lock is and how you might use it, let's talk about the specific one I have on my bike and what you can do to your RTR to get the same setup. So on my RTR, I did actually the world's first RTR shift lock, and it was done by using an old shift lock kit for a Talaria XXX made by my friend William over at Astroworks. So this is actually an Astroworks mounting plate for a XXX along with the shift lock itself. This essentially screws into the back of this plate. This plate I have mounted only with one bolt that goes right into this top section here. Now, Astroworks currently makes an actual dedicated shift lock for this bike. It's gonna cost you only 65 bucks, which is a lot cheaper than the Surround and Talaria ones, and it's a little bit more purpose made. So this shift lock, it works great. I'm only putting pressure on it up so it doesn't move. In theory though, it could slide down, but that's not a concern because I don't put downward pressure on it. So going up, it's not gonna move up at all. The frame catches it, so it just worked out perfectly in that regard. But again, there's a purpose-built version now, which mounts with both of these bolts and sticks straight out, so it works just like this one does, except you don't have to worry about scratching your frame up at all. But install is incredibly easy, guys. All you will do is just take out these two bolts, you'll put the plate behind them, screw the bolts back in, and then you're done, good to go. Now, even though I don't have the Astroworks one on my bike, you can use code ConnorG at checkout to save on it, but again, it's $65. But right now, let's hop on this RTR and show you in practice why this thing actually adds value and is a game changer for your wheelies. So guys, an important thing when you're doing wheelies is feeling really secure on the bike. That's why you see most people end up doing seat covers on their bike, so they stay on the seat and they don't feel like they're gonna slide off. That's exactly what a shift lock seeks to solve. Now guys, something like this isn't just beneficial for advanced riders, it's honestly very helpful for new riders alike. If you're just learning to wheelie, it may be even arguably more important because you're gonna feel more secure on the bike. So what it's gonna do is just give you an additional point of contact. You have your butt/legs holding you on, your right hand, your left hand, and that's about it. When you have your feet on the pegs, they're there, and you know, these are jagged pegs, but it's not gonna stop you from falling over backwards. So this gives you an additional point of contact for you to push your foot up against, so when you're up back in a wheelie, you're able to hold yourself on with your leg in addition to your hands. This will also help mitigate arm pump, which you might get from white knuckling the bars the whole time you're in a wheelie, which we don't want to do. So whether you're new to wheelies, whether you're a veteran, you're gonna find value in it. Again, some people shift lock like this with their foot below, some shift lock like this with their foot like that. That's what I prefer. So guys, even if you're not doing crazy tricks, the shift lock is still gonna add value because it better secures you to the bike. However, if you are doing crazy tricks, which you should be, then it's gonna be ultra helpful. So let me show you. The biggest thing that comes to mind for me is when you're doing a one hand or a hand drag. All right, so first up, I'm gonna do a hand drag without foot shift locking here. I'm gonna try. See how I'm sliding right off the back? When I take my hand off without shift locking, I find that a lot of the weight then goes to my butt, and ultimately I'm sliding off. Even though I have this seat cover, I'm sliding off. Now let's show you with a proper shift lock like this. Look at that. We can just reach all the way back and we're held onto the bike. So it honestly makes an enormous difference in that regard. But even just normal wheelies, you can see I'm just locked in so much better. It's an additional point of contact. There's nothing wrong with being even more secure on the bike in a wheelie. It's only just gonna make the wheelie better. But again, I see it most useful. We take our hand off like that. Again, even if you take your left hand side off, it gives you a place to really hold yourself onto the bike. And what I really like about this mod is it's inexpensive, at least for, you know, e-bikes. I think it's like $65 from Astroworks. Woo, and then you can do that with it. Come on now.
$65, and again, you get a discount with code ConnorG, but it's really a simple mod, you know. All you do is take out those 2 bolts, screw in the plate, screw in the peg, and you're done. You know, you don't have to tear anything apart. It's super simple, but you will be surprised by the improvement that it gives you in your wheelies. I'm telling you, you won't ever even think that it would have that much of a difference, but I'm telling you it does. And it's funny because once you get used to using a shift lock, any bike that you hop on that doesn't have one ultimately feels naked. You feel naked because then you'll have to shift lock with your foot over the peg, and that's not comfortable on your Achilles and so on. Now, if you don't have an RTR, that's also fine. Astroworks makes a number of shift locks for a number of bikes. So if you got a Sur-Ron or a Talaria, Ultra B, Light B, E-Ride, he should have you covered. Only other thing to really speak to, I guess, would be the durability of these, which is top notch. I have looped my bike on an array of occasions. The only thing that I ever really find bend is the peg bolt itself. This can come loose over time, and I've had the bolt, it's about this long, that threads into there, bend, so the peg is bent. The bracket itself never bends, dude, somehow. Like, I had the teeniest tiny bend in it, maybe, and that was when I properly looped my bike at like 20. So it's also super durable, but if you ever have any issues, you can always reach out to William at Astroworks and we'll get you sorted. But oh, it just feels so good. Shift locks, baby. If you guys are watching this video and you don't even have an RTR, you should definitely get one because they are freaking killer. Use code ConnorG if you do want one. Save you 150 bucks. You could also get the RTR Lite, which is only $21.99 new, so you'll save 100 bucks with code ConnorG. But let's get one last hand drag for the cam. Woo! Well, guys, as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. I also hope that I'm in frame.
Yeah, bro. I'd say you're in frame. You're good.
If you have any questions about this setup, definitely let me know. Again, you can get a proper, exact setup for this RTR on Astroworks. I'll leave it down in the description. But if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you guys very, very soon. Road to 100K.